Hello students, let us solve some word problems based on the topic linear equations in two variables. Before this we have studied what is linear equations in two variables. Now there are some word problems which are based on that concept. So in this video let us try to solve them. Let us consider the problem. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, find the fraction. So here we have to use two variables for numerator and denominator respectively. So let the fraction be x divided by y, where x represents the numerator and y represents the denominator. Now to solve this problem, we have to make two simultaneous linear equations and we have to solve them. So for that, firstly, we should use the first information given to us. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. By that we can write y is equal to 2x plus 4 because y is the denominator which is 4 more than twice the numerator. And as the numerator is x, we have to make its double, that is 2x. And the denominator is 4 more than that. That's why we have to add 4 to it. So we'll get the equation y is equal to 2x plus 4. If we transfer y to the right hand side, we'll get 0 is equal to 2x minus y plus 4. So again, if we transfer plus 4 to the left hand side, we'll get 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. So this is equation number 1. In the same way, we can make the second equation by the second condition we are given. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. So this is the condition given and we have to use that to make the second equation. So for that one we have to reduce both numerator and denominator by 6. So if we reduce denominator by 6, it will become y minus 6, and if we reduce numerator by 6, it will become x minus 6. And at that time denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. That's why here it is the denominator, that is y minus 6 is equal to, it is the 12 times the numerator. That's why we have multiplied here x minus 6 by 12. So this is the second equation we got from the second condition. We have to solve this. Y minus 6 is equal to, we have to multiply both these terms by 12, that is 12 into x, that's 12x, minus 12 into 6, that's 72. Now if we take minus 72 to the right hand side, it will become minus 6 plus 72 is equal to 12x plus y. Coming to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. Minus 6 plus 72, that's 66, that is equal to 12x minus 1. So the second equation we get 12x minus y is equal to 66. Now we have two simultaneous linear equations in two variables. We have to solve these two. For that one, compare the coefficients of y as it is 1 in both of these two equations. Signs are also same. So we should subtract these two equations. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Now as we are subtracting equation 1 from 2, that's why we have to write the equation 2 firstly, that is 12x minus y is equal to 16. And from this one we have to subtract the first equation, and the first equation is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. As we are subtracting the first equation, we have to change the sign of each term in the first equation, that is plus 2x will become minus 2x, minus y will become plus y, minus 4 will become plus 4. Here minus y plus y will get cancelled. 12x minus 2x, that will be 10x, is equal to 66 plus 4, that is 70. Now if we take 10 to the right hand side, it will be 70 divided by 10, that's 7. So value of x is equal to 7. From this one we can find the value of the second variable y. For that we have to use equation number 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. In this equation we will replace x by 7. This 2x minus y, that is 2 into bracket 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. 2 into 7, that's 14 minus y is equal to minus 4. If we take 14 to the right hand side, it will become minus 4 minus 14, and on the left hand side we will have minus y. So minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 14, that's minus 18. If we eliminate negative signs on both the terms, we get y is equal to 18. Here value of x is 7 and value of y is 18. That means the numerator is 7 and the denominator is 18. That means the fraction is 7 divided by 18. Now let us have the next question. Two types of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. So there is one truck which has a capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of boxes. So for this problem, there is one truck given which has a capacity of 10 tons. There are two types of boxes, boxes of type A and boxes of type B. So we have to use two variables for two types of boxes. So let the weight of one box of type A be x kilogram and the weight of one box of type B be y kilogram. Now the first condition is given that when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. So that's why if the weight of one box of type A is x and we have to find weight of 150 such boxes. So for that we have to multiply this x by 150 to find the weight of 150 boxes of type A. So that will be 150x plus the weight of one box of type B is y and we have to find weight of 100 such boxes. That's why we have to multiply the weight of one box of type B by 100 to get the weight of 100 boxes of type B. That is, the weight of 100 boxes of type B will be 100y. If we add these two, it weighs 10 tons and 10 tons, that means 10,000 kilograms. Because as we have assumed the weight of one box of type A and B in kilogram, we have to convert tons into kilograms so as to have the same units. So if we simplify, if we divide this equation by 50 throughout, we get 150x divided by 50, that is 3x, plus 100y divided by 50, 2y, is equal to 10,000 divided by 50, that will be 200. This is equation number 1. In the same way, we can find the second equation. For that, we have to use the second condition given. When 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. That means when 260 boxes of type A and 40 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it will be equal to its capacity, that is 10 tons. So to find the weight of 260 boxes of type A, we have to multiply x by 260, means 260x. So this is the weight of 260 boxes of type A. Similarly, to find the weight of 40 boxes of type B, we have to multiply y by 40, that is to get 40y. So 40y is the weight of 40 boxes of type B. If we add these two, it will be equal to the capacity of the truck, that is 10 tons. That means it will be again 10,000 kilograms. If we divide this equation by 20, we get 260x divided by 20, that's 13x, plus 40y divided by 20, that's 2y, is equal to 10,000 divided by 20, that is 500. So this is equation number 2. Now we can compare equation 1 and 2. As the coefficients of the variable y are equal, signs are also same, we should subtract these two equations. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we have to subtract equation 1, that's why we have to write equation 2 firstly. And the second equation is 13x plus 2y, that is equal to 500, minus the first equation is 3x plus 2y, that is equal to 200. So as we are subtracting the first equation, we have to change the sign of each term in the first equation. That is, plus 3x will become minus 3x, plus 2y will become minus 2y, and plus 200 will become minus 200. Here plus 2y minus 2y will get cancelled. 13x minus 3x, that will be 10x, is equal to 500 minus 200, that is 300. If you take 10 to the right hand side, it will be in the denominator. So x is equal to 300 divided by 10. If we divide 300 by 10, we get 30. So x is equal to 30. From this one, we can find the value of the other variable. For that, we'll use equation number 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. So here we got the value of x 30. So we'll replace here x by 30. That is 3 into 30 plus 2y is equal to 200. 30 into 3, that's 90, plus 2y is equal to 200. If you take 90 to the right hand side, it will become 2y is equal to 200 minus 90. 200 minus 90 is 110. That is equal to 2y. Again, if we take 2 to the right hand side, it will be in the denominator. It is 110 divided by 2, that's 55. So the value of y is 55 and value of x is 30. And we have assumed here the variable x for the weight of one box of type A. So that means the weight of one box of type A is 30 kilogram, and we have assumed variable y for weight of one box of type B. That's why the weight of one box of type A is 30 kilogram and weight of one box of type B is 55 kilogram.